Welcome. This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting. Many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Dodge or Chev? Have you decided yet? In this segment, our attention shifts to pricing and customer satisfaction, offering you a well-rounded perspective. Interior features of Dodge. Moving on to the interior features, Dodge vehicles offer a blend of comfort, technology, and performance-oriented features. Inside a Dodge, you'll find a driver-centric cockpit designed to enhance the driving experience. The use of premium materials ensures a luxurious and refined feel. Dodge models often come equipped with advanced infotainment systems, offering seamless connectivity and access to various entertainment options. From intuitive touchscreen displays to smart integration with smartphones, Dodge vehicles keep you connected on the go. Additionally, features like ergonomic seating, climate control, and advanced safety technologies add to the overall appeal of Dodge's interiors. Interior features of Chevrolet. Chevrolet vehicles prioritize practicality and convenience when it comes to interior features. Step inside a Chevrolet, and you'll discover a spacious and well-designed cabin that emphasizes comfort and functionality. Chevrolet models are equipped with user-friendly infotainment systems, providing easy access to navigation, music, and connectivity options. The interiors are crafted with attention to detail, using high-quality materials that create a pleasant and inviting atmosphere. From versatile seating arrangements to ample cargo space, Chevrolet vehicles excel in providing practicality for everyday use. So, both Dodge and Chevrolet offer impressive designs and enticing interior features. While Dodge emphasizes a bold and aggressive aesthetic, Chevrolet focuses on a more refined and contemporary approach. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal preferences and the specific features that resonate with you. Whichever brand you choose, both Dodge and Chevrolet deliver on style and functionality. Safety and reliability. When it comes to choosing a new vehicle, safety and reliability are undoubtedly two of the most important factors to consider. In this section, we'll take a closer look at the safety features offered by Dodge and Chevrolet, as well as compare their overall reliability and dependability. Safety features of Dodge. Dodge has consistently prioritized the safety of their vehicles, incorporating advanced features and technologies to provide drivers and passengers with peace of mind on the road. Here are some notable safety features commonly found in Dodge vehicles. Forward collision warning. This system utilizes sensors to detect potential collisions and alerts the driver through visual and audio warnings, allowing for quick reaction and mitigation. Automatic emergency braking. If a potential collision is imminent and the driver fails to react, this feature automatically applies the brakes to help avoid or reduce the severity of an impact. Blind spot monitoring. By utilizing sensors, Dodge vehicles can detect and warn drivers of vehicles in their blind spots, reducing the risk of side impact collisions. Lane departure warning. This feature helps prevent unintentional lane drifting by providing audible and visual alerts if the vehicle begins to deviate from its lane without using the turn signal. Adaptive cruise control. By utilizing radar and camera systems, Dodge vehicles can automatically adjust the speed and maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, enhancing safety during long drives or heavy traffic. Safety features of Chevrolet. Chevrolet is also committed to ensuring the safety of their vehicles by integrating a range of advanced safety features. Here are some notable safety features commonly found in Chevrolet vehicles. Rear-view camera. This feature provides a clear view of the area behind the vehicle, aiding in parking and reversing maneuvers while minimizing the risk of collisions. Lane keep assist. By detecting lane markings, this system actively helps the driver stay in their lane by providing gentle steering input and alerts if unintentional lane departure occurs. Forward collision alert. Through the use of sensors, this feature notifies the driver with visual and audible warnings when a potential front-end collision is detected, allowing for prompt action. Rear cross-traffic alert. When reversing, this system detects approaching vehicles from the sides and alerts the driver to prevent potential collisions while leaving parking spots or driveways. Teen driver technology. This innovative feature allows parents to set certain limitations and receive detailed reports on their teens' driving habits, promoting safer driving practices for young and inexperienced drivers. Reliability and dependability comparison. When it comes to reliability and dependability, both Dodge and Chevrolet have built a solid reputation over the years. However, it's important to note that specific models within each brand may vary in performance and long-term reliability. Consulting consumer reviews, reliability ratings, and expert opinions can provide a more comprehensive understanding of the reliability of specific models. In conclusion, both Dodge and Chevrolet prioritize safety by equipping their vehicles with advanced safety features. While Dodge offers features like forward collision warning and blind spot monitoring, Chevrolet incorporates technologies like lane keep assist and teen driver technology. When considering overall reliability and dependability, it's advisable to conduct thorough research on specific models to make an informed decision based on individual needs and preferences. Price and value. When it comes to choosing between Dodge and Chevrolet models, one of the key factors that can influence your decision is the price and overall value. Let's explore the price ranges of both Dodge and Chevrolet models, as well as compare their resale values. Price range of Dodge models. Dodge offers a range of models to cater to different budgets and needs. The price range of Dodge vehicles can vary depending on the specific model, trim level, and optional features. Generally, Dodge models start at a more affordable price point compared to some other brands in the market. For instance, the Dodge Dart, a compact car, starts at around $16,000, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. On the other end of the spectrum, high-performance Dodge muscle cars like the Dodge Challenger and Dodge Charger can have price tags exceeding $70,000, offering unparalleled power and performance. Price range of Chevrolet models. Similar to Dodge, Chevrolet also offers a wide range of models with varying price points. Chevrolet vehicles are known for their affordability and value for money. The price range of Chevrolet models typically starts at a lower price compared to some other brands. For example, the Chevrolet Spark, a compact car, can be found with a starting price as low as $14,000, making it an attractive choice for those on a tight budget. On the higher end, models like the iconic Chevrolet Camaro and the rugged Chevrolet Silverado can have price tags reaching over $50,000, offering advanced features and capabilities. Resale value comparison. When considering the overall value of a vehicle, resale value plays a crucial role. Resale value refers to the amount of money you can expect to receive when selling or trading in your vehicle after a certain period of ownership. Both Dodge and Chevrolet have models that hold their value well over time. According to industry experts, Chevrolet vehicles tend to have a slightly higher resale value compared to Dodge vehicles. This can be attributed to several factors, including brand reputation, reliability, and market demand. However, it's important to note that individual models within each brand may vary in their resale value. When it comes to buying a vehicle, it's essential to consider not just the initial price but also the long-term value. While Dodge may offer more affordable entry-level options, Chevrolet has a reputation for higher resale values. Ultimately, the decision should be based on your personal preferences, budget, and future plans for the vehicle. Remember, understanding the price range and resale value of Dodge and Chevrolet models can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your needs and budget. In conclusion, the comparison between Dodge and Chevrolet showcases two reputable automobile manufacturers with their own unique strengths and offerings. Dodge stands out for its powerful performance and bold design, while Chevrolet excels in fuel efficiency and reliability. Ultimately, the choice between the two brands comes down to individual preferences, priorities, and budget. Whether you prioritize speed and style or fuel economy and dependability, both Dodge and Chevrolet have something to offer. It is recommended to test drive both brands and consider your specific needs before making a final decision. Whichever brand you choose, rest assured that both Dodge and Chevrolet have a range of models that cater to a variety of driving styles and requirements. Thank you for joining us in Part 2, the conclusion of our series. We've explored pricing and customer satisfaction, giving you a comprehensive view. If you found this content valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. With insights from both parts, you're now well equipped to make an informed decision between Dodge and Chevrolet. Until next time, happy driving. Thank you for watching.